Workers scattered in Allen when police say a 75-year-old Marine veteran opened fire on them from his apartment balcony.
I've done this for 15, 20 years. I've never had anyone shoot at me before.
Dan Haggerty spoke to workers who heard those shots overnight and saw the gunman rifle in hand. Dan joining us live now in Allen with why this happened.
Yeah, Lee Lewis Construction Company handed out these flyers to the people in the nearby apartment complex saying they're going to be laying concrete at 2 o'clock in the morning. They thought it was a courtesy. Clearly not enough, though, according to police, from the man who lived right there on that second story across from the construction site. When we arrived at the construction site, workers were busy building what will be a new school. So we parked across the street when John Duncan pulled up.
I saw your news van over here, so I thought if you guys knew something.
Turns out he was the one who knew everything and was on the job last night at 2 a.m. when he says 75-year-old Roy Dale Rogers fired a gun at him and his crew.
All of a sudden we heard a shot. We ducked down. I said, hey, I think we just got shot at.
Rogers is a retired Marine. His apartment faces the job site, and workers tell us he started screaming at them from his balcony.
Go away. I'm sick of this construction. You guys are keeping me up. I have to go to work in the morning.
But Lee Lewis Construction Company had permits to pour concrete at 2 a.m., even left these flyers for residents here. In your opinion, was this some kind of warning shot, or was he trying to shoot somebody?
Oh, I don't think he was trying to hurt anybody. I think he was just frustrated with all the, I mean, look at all the construction in the city. It's everywhere.
This job has been going on for about a month and won't be finished until 2018. Residents here say the sounds of the job have become their alarm clock every morning at 7.
I'm sure it's a bit frustrating for some people.
Did you ever think that would turn into somebody shooting at you?
No. I've done this for 15, 20 years. I've never had anyone shoot at me before.
Some of the workers over here, as you can imagine, they wanted to work on different job sites today, still a little bit spooked out. Rogers faces serious charges, felony charges, and potential prison time after this. But if he does get out and moves back into his apartment, workers tell me they will not keep on this job unless there's a police officer watching over it. Reporting live, Dan Haggerty, CBS 11 News.